Think about the people closest to you right now. If you disappeared tomorrow, how long before they found someone to fill the gap? A week? A month? The answer will tell you everything about the life you have built. 1. Stop being available. Start being essential. You are not underpaid. You are underbuilt. Every single day, 491 people lose their jobs, not because AI is smarter, because they were doing work a machine could schedule on a Tuesday afternoon. The one who never gets that call sees what is about to break before it breaks. Available is forgettable. Become essential. 2. Stop collecting people. Start being the one they cannot lose. Most people call themselves your friend. They are not your friends. They are your schedule. The moment you start becoming something different, watch how fast the circle shrinks. The irreplaceable friend is not the one who texts back fast. It is the one who sits with you in the wreckage, says nothing, and does not need you to be okay. Be that person. 3. Stop being wanted. Become someone they cannot imagine losing. No one leaves because they stopped loving you. They leave because they stopped feeling you. You argue about money, time, silence. But underneath every argument is one sentence too terrifying to say out loud. Do you still see me? Anyone can be wanted. Almost no one is truly needed. Learn the difference. 4. Stop competing on price. Build something people would grieve. The market does not reward effort. It rewards difference. 10,000 people are doing exactly what you do, charging less, sleeping less, grinding harder. You will not beat them by outworking them. Build something people would grieve if it were gone tomorrow. Not just miss, grieve. 5. Your identity, the one no one warns you about. You can be essential at work, the irreplaceable friend, the partner who is truly needed, and still wake up every morning feeling like a stranger in your own life. The deepest replacement is not losing your job, it is losing yourself. So slowly, you do not notice until you look in the mirror and cannot remember what you actually wanted. A person who knows who they are is the hardest person on earth to replace. Replaceable is not bad luck. It is not the economy. It is what happens when you give people just enough to keep them from leaving, but never enough to make them stay. The people who leave a hole when they walk out of a room made a decision, quietly, probably alone, that they would never again be someone the world could live without. Make that decision today. Subscribe, see deeper, think differently, one truth at a time.